Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just showing you all the products that I'm using. The nail lamp. You need your nails, and those are full coverage nails. You want your base gel, or you can use builder gel, and I will leave links down below for all that. You're gonna use a buffer, and you're gonna need some primer to prime your nails. And I have a nail clipper and some other things. So now I'm just kind of like filing my nails and buffing them to prepare them for the base coat. You want to put a base coat on first, and then you want to cure your nails. So that's all I'm doing right now. And I like this method better than putting actual glue in your nails, because with the glue, a lot of the times it thins out my nails. When you use this method, you could just soak off, everything soaks off. So it's a little bit less abrasive to your nails than actual nail glue. So you're gonna apply your base coat to your nails. You should really apply the base coat to your nails and then cure it, and then apply another base layer, like a thin layer to your nails and a little bit to the nail, but I didn't do that. I just put some on the nail, and then I'm going to cure it under the lamp. And then you want to make sure you leave it under the lamp long enough for it to get a good hold. You want to make sure it's dry. So I would just say 60 seconds. It's a good number. Okay, so this is what it looks like once it's pressed on. It did have a little bit of air bubbles. I think I might change the actual nail tips that I'm using, but now I'm just speeding everything up to put the nails on. I don't like the air bubbles, but because I'm painting over them, that's okay. But if you want to wear the nails like clear, you would try to make sure that you don't have any air bubbles. Okay, so now the nails are all on, and they're on there really strong. And now I'm just going to cut them down, because I can't wear really long nails just because of the things that I do. Doing hair and making clothing, and just like being a mom, it's really hard to have really long nails. So I'm cutting them down to make them look more natural. And that way I'll be able to get things done. Okay, so finishing up with clipping the nails. So now that I've done that, I'm just going to go and file the nails, and I'm going to make them a little bit shorter. You always want to start out with more nails and then kind of file it down, because you know, as you file, the nails will get shorter. So you don't want to start off too short. So that's why I left them about that size, and I'm just going to buff them up and file them down. So while I'm finishing this, I painted my nails off camera because I was like busy doing some stuff. So I just painted them off camera, but I just continue to do the same thing on both hands. I file it down, I buff the nails up on all the hands, but when you'll see a finished paint job, and all I did was paint my nails. I did 2 coats of gel for each nail, and then I came back in and did a top layer of, a top coat. So this is what the nails look like. And they look so natural. You wouldn't be able to even tell they weren't my nails. So this is my first time actually using this method, and I think it came out really cute. These are the polishes that I used. I got all this stuff from Amazon, so I will link everything in the description box. I use color 27 for most of the nails, and then I did an accent nail and like that glitter color you see. And that's the glitter right there. I will show you what it looks like. And these are really tiny bottles, but yeah, the color's really pretty. Really like earth tones, not earth tones, but like nudes, I would say. A lot of nude colors. And yeah, I think they really came out super cute and then very inexpensive to do at home. You save a lot of money if you do them yourself. And that's just the top coat that I use. They have like a matte that comes in there, a base coat and a top coat, and then you get all those colors. So yeah, it's a really good price. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.